Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with the 10th class maths, pair of linear equations in two variables. In that, I am doing exercise 4.2. This is exercise 4.2. So in this 4.2, 5 sums I have already done, 6th sum I am doing. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart. Let me read the problem. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time at different speeds. Means car A is having one type of speed and car B is maintaining another speed. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. Same direction, if they are traveling, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Against to each other, if they travel in 1 hour, they will meet. What are the speeds of the two cars? So, you have got two places. Let me consider. These are the two places A and B. The distance is 100 kilometers. Car 1 is starting from here and car 2 is starting from here. Now what are they saying? If they travel in the same direction, means car 1 is traveling like this, car 2 also is traveling in this direction, then they both will meet after 5 hours. So let us take this point into consideration. Now first let us suppose that let the speed of car 1 is equal to x kilometers per hour. So speed is x kilometers per hour, and what is the time? How much time it has traveled? Time is nothing but 5 hours because both of them have joined at have meet each other at 5 hours means for 5 hours car 1 is traveling. So what is the distance? Distance traveled. How much is the distance traveled? We know that formula S is equal to d by t. So d is equal to S into t. So speed is x into time is 5. 5x 5x kilometers is the distance traveled by car 1. Now we will see that let the speed of car 2 is equal to y kilometers per hour. And how much time it has traveled? It also has traveled 5 hours. After 5 hours, both of them started at a time. For 5 hours after they have traveled, they have means they could meet each other. So here also time taken 5 hours. So what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled is nothing but 5y kilometers. But here, let us understand one point. Car 1 has started from here and it has covered some distance. Car 2 started here and covered some distance. That means what? What is the distance traveled by them? Car A will be 100 kilometers and some distance. Car B is only that distance. That means what is the distance? What is the equation that you can say? The distance traveled by first car 5x minus distance traveled by second car is 100. He has crossed 100 and gone some road distance. So whatever extra he has traveled, this car 2 also has traveled. So from the total distance traveled by car 1, if you subtract car 2 distance, you'll be getting 100 kilometers distance which is given in the problem. So 5 into x minus y is equal to 100. X minus y is equal to 100 by 5, 20. X minus y is equal to 20 is the first equation. And second one, what did they say? When car 1 travels in this direction and car 2 also is traveling in opposite direction, they could meet after 1 hour. So, also, distance traveled by car 1 after 1 hour is nothing but x kilometers. 1 into x kilometers, because distance is speed into time. Speed is x, time is 1 hour. And distance traveled by car 2 after 1 hour is nothing but y kilometers. He has traveled x kilometers, he has traveled y kilometers, then they could meet. That means what? Total distance traveled by both of them is 100. So you will be getting the second equation. X plus y is equal to 100 is the second equation. So first equation is x minus y is 20 and this is x plus y is 100. So you can directly add first equation and second equation. X minus y is equal to 20, x plus y is equal to 100. When you are adding these two will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60. X is equal to 60. What is x? Speed of car 1. So, speed of car 1 is equal to 60 kilometers. Now, the second one. Second one, to find out y, you have to find out. We know that x minus y is equal to 20. 60 minus y is equal to 20. 60 minus 20 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 40. What is y? Speed of car 2 is equal to 40 kilometers. These two are the answers for this sum, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now next sum, children. Seventh one. Two angles are complementary. Let me read the question. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of smaller angle. Find each angle. So complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles? Two angles are complementary. So complementary means they are 90 degrees. Let the here according to the problem you have got a larger angle and a smaller angle. Let the larger angle is equal to x degrees, smaller angle is equal to y degrees. According to the problem, two angles are complementary. X plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Complementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Complementary means 90 degrees. So they are 90 degrees. And also, what are they saying? Larger angle, that is x, is equal to 3 degrees less than twice the measure of smaller angle. Twice the measure of smaller angle to this 3 degrees less. That means x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. X plus y is equal to 90. Let us take this as first equation and let us take this as second equation. Now, let me add these two equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2. X plus y is equal to 90. X minus 2y is equal to minus 3. Of course, I should minus children. Why should I minus? Because I want to cancel x. These two x's are having same sign, so I should subtract it. So when I am subtracting, minus plus plus, these two will get cancelled. 3y is equal to 93. So what is y? 93 by 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So y is equal to 31. Now take x plus y. X plus y is equal to 90. X plus 31 is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 minus 31. So here 9 here 8 minus 3, 5. 59. Therefore, larger angle is equal to 59 degrees and smaller angle is equal to 31 degrees. These two are the answers for this problem, children. Seventh one. Please note it down. Now the next problem, children. A dictionary has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages, more than that of the first part. How many pages are in each part of the book? The book has torn into two pieces. Second piece is having 64 pages more than first page. So, how many pages are there in each piece? So, let me take the total number of pages. What are total number of pages? They have given us 1382. Then, what did they say? Second part is having 64. So, let the number of pages in first part is equal to x and number of pages in second part is equal to y. So what we will be getting? X plus y is equal to 1382. This is the first equation. Total is 1382. Also, what did they say? The second part is having 64 pages more than first part. So first part is nothing but second part minus 64 pages, because second part is having 64 more. That means x minus y is equal to minus 64, second equation. So x plus y is equal to 1382, x minus y is equal to minus 64. These are the two equations. Plus and minus signs are there. So let me add first equation and second equation. First equation plus second equation. X plus y is equal to 1382. X minus y is equal to minus 64. So when I add it, these two will get cancelled. 2x is equal to, here I'll be getting 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 3, and then 1, 1, 3, 1, 8. So what is x? 1, 3, 1, 8 by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. 659. X value 659. So we know that x plus y is equal to 1382. 659 plus y is equal to 1382. Y is equal to 1382 minus 659. So how much are we getting? Let us see. 1382 minus 659. Here 2 or 3. And 7 minus 5. 2 here and here 7 will be getting. This is 723. Y is equal to 723. Therefore, number of pages in first part is equal to how much? 659. Number of pages in second part is equal to, how much is the second part? 723. These two are the answers, children. This is 8th problem. Please note it down. Now, the next problem, children, that is 9th problem. A chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and another one is 80% solution. So hydrochloric acid have two percentages he is having. One is 50% and another one is 80%. How much of each should be used to get 100 ml of 68% solution? They wanted the solution of 68% at 200 ml. So how much you have to take? The two solutions are there. So let the first solution, quantity of a first solution, let the quantity of first solution is equal to x ml and quantity of second solution is equal to yml. So what are we getting? X plus y is equal to 100. This is first equation. And also, what did they say? 50% of x solution, xml, first solution, plus 80% of second solution, that is yml, is equal to 68% of 100 ml. That means 50 by 100 into x plus 80 by 100 into y is equal to 68 by 100 into 100. These two will get cancelled. Zeros will get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 fours are, 2 fives are. So what am I getting? I'll do it here. 1 by 2x plus 4 by 5y is equal to 68. Let me take LCM here. 10, 5x plus 5 twos are, 2 fours are, 8y is equal to 68. 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. is the second equation. Now, these two I should solve. In order to solve this, what I will have to do, either I should equalize x or y. So let me equalize x. Now, first equation x plus y is equal to 100. Second equation 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. So either I need to equalize x or y. I'll equalize x by multiplying the first equation by 5, and then I have to subtract 1 from the other. So I'll take second equation minus first equation into 5. 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. And second one, hey, here you see, x plus y is 100. Each one I should multiply by 5. 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. On subtracting, 8 minus 5, 3y is equal to 0, 8, 1, 180. So what is y? 180 by 3, that is equal to 60. So I have got y value as 60. Now let me go for the next one, that is let me take the next one. X plus y is equal to 100. X plus 60 is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 minus 60, that is 40. So what is the question? How much of each should be obtained? Each. So first solution should be x, that is 40 ml. Second solution should be 60 ml. See, total you are getting 100 ml. So this is ninth problem, children. Please note it down. Ninth problem solution, children. Please note it down. Now next one, 10th problem. You have 10th one. You have 12,000 saved amount and wants to invest in two schemes yielding 10% and 15% interest. How much amount should be invested in each scheme so that you should get overall 12% in 12% interest you should get. So let us say that total amount is 12,000 rupees. Let the amount to be invested on 10% rate is equal to x rupees, and the amount to be invested on 15% rate is equal to rupees y. So what are we getting equation? X plus y is equal to 12,000. This is first equation. And what is second equation? Also 10% of x plus 15% of y is equal to how much they are expecting? 12% of 12,000. So 10 by 100 into x plus 15 by 100 into y is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000 means 10x by 100 plus 15y by 100 is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000. So let me take LCM first. If I take LCM on left side 100, 10x plus 15y is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000. That means 10x plus 15y is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000 into 100. This 100, when it goes there, 100. These two will get cancelled. 10x plus 15y is equal to 12. 12s are 144. 1,44,000. This you can keep it as second equation. Let me take, I can even divide each term by 5. If I divide on dividing both the sides. Both the sides by 5. 2x plus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 0 0. 5 2s are 10, 4 0 40, 5 8s are 40, again 4 0, 5 8s are 40. This is second equation. Now first equation is this. So let me take second equation, subtract with first equation into 2. Second equation minus first equation into 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 28800. And here 2x plus 2y is equal to 12 2s are 24,000. This is 12,000 now. So 12,000 into 2, 24. So when you are subtracting, these two will get cancelled. Y is equal to 0, 0, 8, 4. 4,800 is y. So we know that x plus y is 12,000. X plus 4,800 is 12,000. X is equal to 12,000 minus 4,800. From 12,000, if you subtract 4,800, 0, 0, 2 here, 7 here, 7,200. So x value is 72, y value is 4,800. So what is the question here? They are asking how much amount should be invested. So for on 10 how much he has to invest? 7,200 rupees. 7,200 on 10% interest. And then rupees 4,800 on 15% interest. This should be the answers for this 10th problem, children. Please note it down. With this exercise is completed. Next part I will do in the next class.